James, Letitia James, James Comey, they are all fighting against President Trump, and specifically Lindsey Halligan, because they don't think Lindsey Halligan was appointed lawfully and that these indictments should be thrown out, dismissed, and done with. So what we're going to hear is we're going to find out what's going on with Lindsey Halligan. If it's looking like, based on what we heard from the recent court proceedings they had, that she may be disqualified and these indictments may get dismissed. Let's see what they are talking about here as we hear from a former Trump attorney. Check it out.
Lindsey Halligan. Today's hearing lasted more than an hour, and a ruling from the judge could come at any time. A ruling that may conclude that Lindsey Halligan, who has never tried a case in her career, is not qualified to serve in her job and is legally not able to be in her job. And that means cases against James Comey and Letitia James could be over.
Ooh.
Out front now, former Trump White House lawyer Ty Cobb. So, Ty, this was an important day. The hearing just over an hour about Lindsey Halligan and whether she has, whether she's allowed to be in her job. Will Halligan be disqualified and her indictments tossed out?
I don't think so.
She will be disqualified. The Comey indictment will be tossed out. And may not be able to be rebrought because the statute of limitations has lapsed. The James indictment is likely to be tossed out as well, but it can be rebrought, as Abby Lowell conceded today that in her situation that somebody may reactivate that case.
So, I mean, it is pretty stunning to imagine that we're in this moment, Ty. It really is. At one point in the hearing, the judge was expressing really serious concerns about another aspect of this, which isn't just whether Lindsey Halligan actually was legally in her job when she signed the indictment, and appeared to make the case, but that in front of the grand jury, there was a part of the Comey grand jury arguments and conversation that actually wasn't recorded. You'd always have a court reporter in there. There would be a transcript of everything, and there wasn't. And the part that's missing covered a crucial event, the actual end, the final minutes of the grand jury session on the day the indictment was returned. What could that even be about?
So if it's intentional, it's prosecutorial misconduct of the highest order. Now, it's conceivable there was a technical glitch. It's conceivable there may be a recording. There are a lot of things that we can't rule out at this stage of the game. But the Justice Department's statement later today in response to this issue highlighted the fact that this was during the deliberations, which are not recorded typically.